engineering. I was the lead interior designer in this hotel. And welcome, this is the Pixar Suite. So you'll notice right away, this is the third floor, this is the pool deck. We've got floor to ceiling glass. You have patios out there with tables and lounge chairs. And you can also access the pool and the small lights and the play court and all of that from here. You can see the mural is the main star of the room. So we worked with Pixar, we picked iconic Pixar characters in their kind of aha moment, and then we put them together in a rainbow-like effect, and then lit it from the chair rail below. So at night you can turn all the lights down and just have this on. Then everything else we tried to just keep simpler and cleaner. So you'll notice like the ball is in the bedding, but it's subtle. You can see this is the lamp from Pixar. They had a great up at Emeryville at the Pixar headquarters, and we just kind of blew it up and turned it into an area like so. Over here we have, in the signature suites, we have a steeping tub. So you can see that.
Those are different things.
And a large shower. Colors, lots of beiges and whites. But we really focused on red, yellow, and blue to drive home the whole Pixar theme. Scaled down version. If you're really looking at me, he's chubbier, more like a baby than an average thing.
I'm an experience integration manager here at our hotel. I'm excited to share our one bedroom with you, as well as some of the benefits of staying with us here on property at the Pixar Place Hotel. So I believe you just came from the two bedroom. So now you can see we still have so much Pixarness in a one bedroom and a lot of space. Look at all of us in this room together. We have my favorite little detail is the little rug with the Pixar mask and the details on there, and also the fact that you can store your luggage underneath the beds here, so there's a lot of storage that you have to make it just as easy and comfortable for you while you're here in our room. This set of rooms does have a unique feature, which is the direct access to our third floor pool deck. So easy access to Pencil Pool, just Nemo's Cove, and of course our Shorts Court right down the way. And just an extension of the room, truly, when you get to stay in one of these third floor rooms on this side. Speaking of ease, we do also have a really unique benefit of staying with us at the Pixar Place Hotel, which is your own direct entrance into Disney California Adventure Park. It's just right across the street, and it makes it super easy for you to come and go as you please. So if you woke up early for early entry to get that extra 30 minutes in the park, and it makes you a little bit tired by later in the afternoon, you can just hop on back to the hotel and take a little nap and rest to make you ready for the rest of your evening and to close down the park as you head back over to Disneyland Park or Disney California Adventure Park. Has anybody had the chance to participate in our sunrise yoga? I feel like I've spoken about this in the past. I see some nods. It is a really special offering in Disneyland Park, the chance to experience yoga pre-park opening with a very small group of guests. And it's a 45-minute class. We provide the mats for you, and it's a very unique opportunity to see the park before any other guests are in there. We have other offerings at Disney California Adventure Park, pre-park opening as well, that are part of our fitness offerings. And of course, we also have the Tenaya Stone Spa, which has great wellness offerings for our guests as well. And when you stay here at Pixar Place Hotel, we do also offer Learn to Draw classes, which are themed to Pixar characters, of course. And we do have Pixar movie nights right over on the grass area on our third floor pool deck too. So a lot of great activities. So if you want to take a break from the parks for an afternoon or a day, you can relax here at the hotel, enjoy the pool, enjoy these activities that we put on for all of our guests.